Looking to bring your car's audio back to life? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment car speakers are the perfect solution to restore the crisp, clear sound your vehicle was designed to deliver. These speakers are GM recommended replacements, crafted specifically for your GM vehicle to ensure a flawless fit and consistent performance. What sets these speakers apart is their precise manufacturing to GMOE specifications. That means you get the same quality, reliability, and durability that come from General Motors' original factory parts. No guesswork, no compromises, just the sound system your car deserves, designed to last. These speakers work by converting electrical signals into sound through a finely tuned mechanism involving a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. When your radio or amplifier sends current to the voice coil, it creates magnetic poles that move the speaker cone back and forth, producing rich sound waves. The result is a balanced audio experience with clear highs and deeper bass. Many drivers have upgraded from their worn-out factory speakers, which often use less durable materials like thin paper cones. ACDelco speakers feature a robust, black rubber-like material that not only withstands wear and tear but also enhances bass response, giving your music more depth and clarity on every drive. If you've noticed your original speakers sounding distorted or weak, these replacements are worth a look. They offer a straightforward upgrade without the hassle of custom fitting or complicated wiring. Plus, they come at a more affordable price than dealership parts, making quality sound accessible. Ready to enjoy your favorite songs like never before? Installing ACDelco GM Original Equipment car speakers means you get what changes your driving experience: better sound, greater durability, and peace of mind knowing you're using parts designed specifically for your vehicle. If that's you, consider making the switch today. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend road trip, these speakers will bring your car audio back to life. Try them when you're ready and hear the difference GM's trusted engineering can make.